like gets really close, so I don't want him to fall. This sweaty boy. I'll do that next time when Pole falls. If a pole ever falls again. I think it's funny how he just walks, he like runs by so quickly. I'm so funny. Oh, jeez. I can be a horse too. My hair's prettier now.
Oh, it is. It's beautiful hair.
What the crap is going on over there?
Working. Something.